Good afternoon, girls. How are you all? Okay, I hope that you're all fine and in good health. Okay, girls, so I think all of you here. Okay. So, girls, today we will start a new lesson, decimal division. Today we will learn how we will divide a decimal by a decimal, but in a model, by using a model. So, let's start our lesson. Okay, so please bring your books and open your books on page 318. Bring your books on page 318. So let's start with the first example. Today we will return to the base 10 blocks. Okay, you remember the base 10 blocks for the decimals, of course. The base 10 blocks for the decimal told me that you remember that the ones digit represented with flat. This is the ones. Okay, and the 10th digit represented with long, and the hundredth digit represented with small cubes. Okay, so this is the ones, this is the long, and this is the small cubes, or the hundreds. So the ones, the 10th and the hundredths. So let's use this base 10 blocks to divide decimal by decimal. I will do the first one to told you how we will divide a decimal number by a decimal number, like this example, 1.2 divided 0.3. Okay, first thing, I have to draw the model that represent 1.210. 1 means once means flat. That's mean I have to draw flat here, and 2 in the 10th digit, that's mean I have two longs. This is the first one and this is the second one. So the blue shade here represented the 1.2 in the model, on the base 10 blocks. How I will divide it into onto 0.3. 0.3 is a decimal number. This decimal number, if I want to draw the model that represents this 0.3, the model that represents 0.3 is 3 longs, because I have 3 in the 10th digit. That's mean I have 3 longs, because the long is the model that represents the 10th digit. So I have 3 in the 10th digit, that's mean I have 3 longs. Okay, so when I want to divide this model on 3 longs, that's mean I have to divide this model into groups. Each group will contain 3 longs. Each group will contain 3 longs. Okay, so let's take, this is the first one, 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, I will not here write a number because there is no space, so I will use this color, the pink color. So this is the first one, girls, the second one, and the third one. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Those 3 here, those 3, I will take it and put it in a group. This is the first group. Okay, now I will change the color to red color and take another 3 longs, 1, 2, and 3. So they will make the second group. Okay, now I will change the color to orange now and take 3 longs, because I am dividing on 0.3. So 1, 2, 3 will give me the third group. Okay, now I will change the color to green and take another 3, so it will be 1, 2, and 3. So you will give me the fourth group. So how many groups I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer for this division is 4. The number of groups. The number of groups. Okay, girls? This is how I will divide a decimal by a decimal by using a base 10 blocks. Okay? Of course, when I want to divide a decimal by a decimal in any exercise, I will not use the base 10 blocks always. This is not the strategy. But you remember, when I told you in division, first thing you have to understand the model, you have to understand the division by using the base 10 blocks. Then I will teach you a strategy. You will follow it in division. Okay? But when I told you, use a model, that means you have to use the base 10 blocks to divide the decimal numbers. Okay? Now, let's see number 2. Number 2, I want to divide 0.45 on 0.9 hundredths. Okay. Look, girls. First thing, I have to represent the both numbers, the dividend and the divisor, in the base 10 blocks. Then I will divide the models. Look, 0.45, I have 4 in the 10th digit, 5 in the 100th digit. That's me. Look, girls, I have 4 longs, because 4 in the 10th digit means 4 longs. And 5 in the hundredths, that's mean 5 what? Small cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the dividend. It's already drawn here. Okay, so no need to draw it. Okay, I will draw the dividend only. So the the dividend is already drawn. 4 longs and 5 small cubes. What about the divisor? The divisor is 9 hundredths. 9 hundredths, that's mean I have 1. Okay. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I have 9 small cubes. Okay, I have 9 small cubes. I want to divide this number 0.45 into, okay, okay. Now okay. Larissa, you want to ask me anything? Just 1 minute. When I finish, you will ask me, okay? So I have 9 small cubes, girls. I want to divide this model into groups. Each group will take 9 small cubes. That means I have to count 1. Look, girls, I will try to describe it by colors. So please focus with me. This is the first small cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the first group. Okay, 9. Now I will change the color to red. 1. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the second group. Okay, now I will change the color to orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the third group. Now green, also I have to count 9 small cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the 4th small cubes. Now the black. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is the 5th group. So how many groups I have here? Already the groups divided here. Okay, so I have 5 groups. So those small cubes divided into 5 groups, sorry. Each group has 9 small cubes. So the answer for this division is the number of groups, which is 5. Okay, girls? This is how I will divide. Okay? Okay. So let's now, who want to ask me? Who want to ask me? I think Larissa, you want to ask me? Okay. Yes, Larissa.
Teacher, my laptop was glitching, so I restarted it so I can understand the lesson. So can you please repeat?
Okay, I can't hear you clearly actually. Your voice is not clear. Please repeat again. Repeat again, Larissa.
My laptop is glitching, and I restarted it before the session began. But now I don't understand anything. Can you please re-explain?
Okay, Larissa. Okay. Actually, Larissa, your voice is not clear. But what I understand from your voice is you don't understand the lesson. So, or you want me to repeat it. So, Larissa, now in each exercise, I will repeat the same idea. So now in number 3, focus with me because the same idea, I will repeat it. Okay? Okay, Larissa, you can hear me? Okay. Girls, already the lessons, I record all the lessons and upload it on the platform. So if anything you miss it in the session, you can return and repeat the lesson again. Okay? So I will repeat for you, Larissa. Larissa, I said that I have to divide by the decimal on the decimal by using the base 10 blocks. How I will do that? I have to represent each number by using base 10 blocks, the dividend and the divisor. So the first thing, the dividend, I'm repeating Basma, is here as an example 0.96. I told you here in the first that the ones digit represented with what? With a flat. The 10th digit, which is the first digit after the point, we represented with the long. The 100th digit represented with a small cube. Okay, so here the number is 0.96. That means I have 9 in the 10th, 6 in the 100th. 9 in the 10th, that means I have 9 longs. You have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have 9 longs. Count it. And 6 in the 100th digit. That means 6 small cubes. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is the shaded part. Represent the dividend. What about the divisor? I have to draw the divisor here. The divisor is 0.24. 2 in the 10th digit. Okay. 24 squares or small cubes, okay, but you can see that you have to count 2 longs and 4 small cubes. Yes, right, Larissa. You have to count, or as Larissa said, you have to count 24 24 squares, because each long consists of 10 squares. That means I have 10 here, 10 here. It will be 20 plus 4, it will be 24. Yes. So two, or I can say it, 2 longs and 4 small cubes. Okay. So look, girls, each I have to divide the dividend on the divisor. This is the divisor, this is the dividend. The blue one is the dividend, the black one is the divisor. So I have to divide the dividend into groups. Each groups will contain this divisor. So I will take 2 longs and 4 squares, 4 little squares or little cubes in each group, and count the groups after that. Count the groups. The number of groups will be the answer for the division or the quotient. Now, this is the first long. I will use the pink. Okay. This is the first long. Okay, I will take the first long. This is this one. Okay. And this is the second long. And I have to take 4 small cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to count 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Look, the pink here is what? The first group. Or as Larissa said, count, girls, count 24 small cubes. Okay? So you can do it in any way you want. Now, if I want to do it as Larissa said, count 24 small cubes. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, this is the second group, 24 small cubes until here. Okay, now let's count with orange color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, here, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Until here, this is 24 cubes. So I have the third group. Very good, Rinat. Now the last one, I will choose the red color. Also count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. This is the fourth group, or the last group. Yes, how many groups I have? I have 4 groups. That means the quotient is 4. This is how I will do it. Okay, girls? The last one. Okay, number 4. Number 4 will be very easy for you, because I have a whole. That means 1 is a flat. The flat consists of 10 longs. I want to divide it onto 0.5. So 0.5 is what? Is 5 longs. So each group will take 5. Okay, this is the divisor. So count it. Let's choose the red color. Count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the first group. Now in green, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the second group. So I have two groups. Each group will take 5 longs. So I have the quotient, which is 2. Okay. Stop typing, please, too many times. Just one time. Okay. Did you finish, girls? Did you finish? If you finish, please type 1 in the chat, just one time. Only you have to write the answer, the quotient. So I think it's very easy for you. There is no writing. Just write the answer. Okay, Lana, write your question. Now I don't have here a model, so I will draw it by myself. Okay. You have to draw it also, I think. So, first one is what? First one is 1.24. That's mean the dividend is 1.24. 1, that's mean what? A flat. And 2 in the 10th digit, that's mean I have 2 what? 2 longs. Okay, 2 longs. And 4 in the hundredth digit, that's mean I have 4 small cubes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so okay, girls. This is the model that represents the dividend. What about the divisor? The divisor is what? Is 0.662. That means 6 in the 10th digit. That means I have 6 longs in each group. 1. Okay, I will count it again. I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 longs and 2 what? 2 small cubes or 2 squares. Okay, 1, 2. This is the divisor. So I have to divide the model on the divisor, which is here. I have to divide the divisor. Focus with me, Lana, now. And the divisor here is 6 longs and 2 squares. Okay. Let's take the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. I will take 6 longs, and the 6 longs, I will count it here down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I will take those 6 longs here. Okay, this is the first group. But there is 2 squares. Girls, please focus with me. Don't count on the... Don't count. Don't write, sorry. Don't write on the chat. Please focus with me. I have 6 longs and I have to put what? 2 small cubes. So I will take those small cubes from here. This is the first one and this is the second one. And put it here. So this is the first group, the red one. Okay, I will choose orange now to find the second one. I have to count 10 longs. 6 longs. I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So those 6 longs here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. But I have 2 in the hundreds. That means I have to take 2 small cubes. Those 2 small cubes. This is the first one and this is the second one. So these two small cubes. So this is the second group. So what is the answer? How many groups I have? 2. Very good, Wajd. So I have 2. This is the quotient. Now let's see number 6. First thing, I will represent the dividend. Draw a square. Okay, the dividend. Okay, first thing, I will draw the base 10 blocks that represent the dividend. Okay. Okay, so I have 8 in the 10th digit. That's mean 8 longs. Okay, so I will shade it for you. 8 longs. 1, 2. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So this is the blue shaded part, represent the 8 longs. Okay, girls? And I have 4 in the hundredths digit. This means I have 4 squares. Okay, so 4 squares, that's mean 1, 2, 3, and 4. I want to divide it on 0.14. That's mean each group will contain 1 long and 4 little squares. Okay, 4 little squares. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's divide it. Okay, let's divide it. Okay, I will draw it again. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and this is 1, Okay, I think you can draw it better than me in your book. Who is talking? I can't hear the teacher. Okay, I am here, but I am focusing because I have to draw the model. So girls, how I will draw this one, or how I will divide this one, the long and 4 small cubes. This is the first one. Let's divide each one 1 and 4 small cubes. 1 2 3 4. This is the first group. Then the second one will be in orange. 1 long and 4 small cubes. 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, so this is the second group. Okay, now in another color, the pink color, 1 and 4. 1 2 3 and 4. So this is the second group. 1 and 1 2 3 and 4. Now another color, 1 long, and I will divide the model also. Here the second one. Okay, just 1 minute, girls. Girls, please stop typing on the chat. Okay, now another color, the green color. I have 1 long and count 4 small cubes. 1 2 3 and 4. This is the third or the fourth group. 1 2 3 and 4. Now in dark gray I will choose this one and 4. 1 2 3 and 4. This one 4. So it will be the fifth group. 1 2 3 and 4. The last one will be in blue color. 1 long and 4 small or squares. So what is the answer? How many groups I have? 1 2 and 3 and 4. How many groups? 1 2 3 4 5 6. I have 6 groups. That means the answer is 6. Okay, now let's move to number 7. Okay, number 7, I want to divide 1.6 on 0.4. Okay, let's draw the model that represents 1.6, a hole and 6 longs. Okay, 1 2 and 3. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. I have here 6 longs, and here I have 10, of course. 1. Okay, I will divide it. Girls, stop typing on the chat. Please try to find the answer. Try to find the answer. 1 2 and 3 4 5. Okay, 1. Now I want to divide 1.6 on 4 longs, so it will be 4 longs. Very easy, this one. 1 2 3 and 4. So this is the divisor. Girls, stop typing on the chat. Yes, Larissa, your answer is correct. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the first group. The second one in yellow, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I have here the second group. Now in pink color, I have another. Okay. Lana, you have black screen because girls, you are typing a lot. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is the third group. Okay, the last one in the green. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the answer, how many groups I have? The answer is 4. I have 4 groups. The answer is 4. So this is our session, girls. This is our lesson. Don't forget to do the homework and send